Hi everyone, it's Genene. Welcome to my channel. In today's class about fixing our shoulders, we're going to be lying down on our backs the entire class, and you don't need any props. Let's begin by coming down onto our backs, knees bent, feet flat. Inhale both arms up towards the sky. And we'll do shoulder protraction and retraction, so the floor will be in your way a little bit, which makes it more fun. Reach your arms up to the sky, broaden through the shoulders, tops of the shoulders stay away from the ears. And then do the opposite. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, tops of shoulders come back to the ground. And just like that, again. And then back and squeeze. And then one more. Protract the shoulders, rolling them apart from each other. And then retract the shoulders, squeeze them together. And then take your arms out to the side, inhale. And then exhale, cross right arm over left, bend at the elbows. Give yourself a nice big hug. Thank yourself for coming and doing this for yourself. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Exhale, cross the other way. Left arm over right. Inhale, uncross. And this time we'll add on. Inhale, exhale. Give yourself a big hug. Right arm over left. And then exhale, crunch. Pull the belly in, lift the whole upper body up. Inhale, lower. Uncross. And other direction. Left arm over right. Exhale, cross the arms. Give yourself a hug. Inhale, exhale, crunch. Inhale, lower. Uncross. And exhale, cross right arm over left. And this time 5 crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anytime this is bothering your neck, put your hands instead behind your head. Otherwise, you have the option to stay up here, or if you want it less challenging, lower down to the floor. Your choice. But we're going to lift the elbows up towards the crown of your head. Well, they won't go that far. Stretch. Goes up towards the crown of your head. Well, they won't go that far. Stretch. And exhale, lower. And then lower everything down. Inhale, uncross. Other side. Left arm over right. Hug. And exhale. 5 crunches. 1, 2. And you want to go faster, go slower. 3, 4, and 5. Either stay up here or lower down. Inhale, elbows go up. Exhale, everything goes down. Inhale, arms back out to the side. Bend your arms at the elbows. Make your elbows a little higher. And you could focus on this action of bringing the forearms and the back of the hands towards the floor. That can be really challenging. Feel the shoulder blades helping you. And then we're going to go even further. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep holding. And then release. And again, squeeze. And then release. Straighten the arms out to the sides. And again, doing this lying down, you can always do this whole sequence sitting up, make it a little different. We're going to roll the arm bones forward. You'll feel the shoulder blades spread. So turn the arms forward, the hands follow. Feel the shoulders roll forward, feel the shoulder moving away from each other, and then opposite way. Keep spinning the arms open, externally rotating. Shoulder blades come together, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. See how the arms are helping the shoulders move. And then come back to center. Inhale, exhale, right arm over left. Inhale for nothing and exhale, crunch up. Inhale, lower. And uncross the arms. Exhale, cross left arm over right. Give yourself a nice big hug. Exhale, come up. Inhale, lower. Inhale, arms out to the sides. Bend the elbows. Lift the elbows a little higher than the shoulders. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Straighten the arms. Inhale and exhale, roll the shoulders forward. And inhale, roll the shoulders the other way. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, turning the arms. And exhale, release. Inhale and exhale. Now cross right arm over left. We did this before a million times. But this time, see if you can bend it at the elbows and bring the forearms together. Bring the forearms, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now maybe you can bring the palms and touch. Squeeze those forearms together a lot. And we're going to do this. Inhale, lift the elbows up to the sky. Or up towards your head, really. And then exhale, lower the elbows down, pull the belly in, and crunch. Inhale, lower down, and uncross the arms, forearms to the ground. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Keep those elbows at least shoulder height, maybe a little higher. And then let's go to the other side. Inhale, exhale, cross, left arm over right. Eagle arms, Garudasana arms. Bring those forearms together so you can focus on that squeezing action first. And then maybe you can take the palms together. Inhale, lift. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lower. Arms out to the sides, elbows bent. And squeeze the shoulder blades together. Straighten the arms, roll the shoulders forward. Roll the shoulders backwards. Drawing them together. And then come to neutral. Inhale, we're going to add some legs. They might feel a little bit left out. Exhale, cross right arm over left like we did before, but this time cross left thigh over right thigh. So squeeze the thighs together, squeeze the arms together, and maybe this left foot can wrap around the back of the right calf, maybe not. So do what you can do and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Inhale, and we're going to go 5 times. You're going to exhale and crunch up, joining the knee and the elbow together. If this does not work for your neck, again, put your hands behind your head instead. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up, inhale, and exhale up. Garudasana, lying down, inhale and exhale. Inhale, uncross everything. And exhale, other direction. So left thigh goes over right, right arm goes over left. Inhale and exhale. Bring everything together. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, uncross everything. And now other side, right leg over left, left arm over right. Squeeze everything together. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, 2. Inhale, lower. Exhale, 3. Inhale, lower. Exhale, 4. Let the belly help you with this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lower. Uncross everything. Now stretch your legs up to the sky and give your hamstrings a nice little massage, whether it's not nice, long strokes or squeezing, whatever you like. Bend the knees into your chest. Roll to your right side. Come to sitting. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and that way you'll be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.